Meaning of Emerald Isle.
Emerald Isle.
Emerald Isle.
Emerald Isle.
Emerald Isle. Emerald Isle is a term used to refer to the country of Ireland. The name was derived from the country's lush green landscapes and rolling hills that give it an emerald-like appearance. The term has been in use since the 19th century when Ireland began to attract more tourists due to its natural beauty. Today, Emerald Isle remains a popular nickname for Ireland and is often used as a marketing slogan by tourism boards to promote the country's stunning scenery and rich cultural heritage.